Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at Würth's 30-piece essential maintenance kit. Just to note, all the tools and pieces that come within this kit arrive separately. I've already preloaded the bag full of them. So what we'll do is we'll open the bag, we'll give you a rundown of the tools first and pieces inside, and then I'll give you a breakdown on the actual rucksack bag itself. So we'll open it up, we'll take a look at what's inside. So first thing to pull out, you've got 6 pairs of Tiger Flex glove by Würth. What I really like about these is you have the Tiger Flex pattern on the back in the contact points, which gives you that extra protection when you are handling contaminants, rough surfaces. Nice breathable material as well, and standard size 10 gloves there. So pack of 12 to see you through. We'll move those to one side. What we've also got inside as well, standard full metal hacksaw, again, fully metal. These take 30cm blades, and what I really like about these is that not only do you have a 90-degree holder, okay, you also have a 45-degree, which you can just see there, so you can adjust the blade to sit at a 45-degree angle as well. What I like as well about this, you also have the adjustment dial here to release the blade and tighten it up. Really heavy duty, it's all metal, so no plastic, and is really secure. And also really comfortable to hold and grip hold of, so you can get a lot of force and torque behind that. So we'll move that to one side. Also, you're also going to get given a set of 10 hacksaw blades to go with it. Teeth-wise on these, you're looking at 24 by 1 inch. So really versatile bimetal blades to go with that. Okay, moving on. Standard 5-meter Würth tape measure, okay? This is metric on the inside as well, and you've also got your quick release to release the tape back. So really nice piece, heavy duty, metal and rubberized, so no worry about damage on that one. A nice rugged piece of kit. Also got inside, little torch, okay? What's good about this is, first of all, the batteries are included in the kit, and this also has an adjustable beam. So what I can do, I can either have a narrow beam, like so, or I can actually widen it up. So depending on where I want to work, I can either have a spotlight or give me a wide area. Okay, and simply just click to turn off. So nice and simple, but a really good addition to this kit. Okay. Up next, a set of all-in-one Allen keys. Okay, these are zebra quality, so you are getting the high quality keys here. What's really good size-wise here, you've got 2 all the way up to 8mm. So really versatile set that comes in 1 key, okay? And what's really cool here, if you push the tabs on the side, it actually pops open the keys for you. So repeat that this side as well. There we go. And you can see the keys laid out. So for one tool, you've obviously got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sizes, 7 keys to use, and these are all the standard most used sizes there. So very versatile. Moving on, you also get Würth's 2C cutter knife. What's really nice about this knife in particular is not only do you get a really heavy duty blade to go with it, but the handle and quality is there behind it as well. So it's PU rubberized, so you get really good grip inside your hand. You don't need to worry about it getting wet or slippery because the grip's going to remain with it. Okay, so that's the 2C cutter knife. Also, you've also got the Würth bit box. Okay, full set of bits on the inside, so we'll open that up, and there we go. A nice little kit which can attach to your tool belt. So inside you've got a non-magnetic bit holder, so this is the lockable version, and if we look inside, we've got the range here, so we've got AW, you've got PH, you've got H, hex heads, flat, posi, 1s, 2, Torx as well. So really versatile, small little set to go inside this maintenance kit. Alongside that as well, you're also going to get given 10 electrical tapes. So tape for any maintenance needs. So you get 10, nice and simple, just your standard black electrical tape. Each one you're getting lengthwise 10 meters. So good solid rolls there, and width, we're looking at 15mm. So 10 of those. You also get a set of 5 screwdrivers. So you have got 2 posi drives, posi 1, posi 2, And then you've also got 3 flatheads here. And what's really nice about these screwdrivers is you've got the round blades, they're diamond cut tips, okay? So nice and ground sharp. These are non-magnetic, just to say as well, but also the handles, very strong, really ergonomic. You can get your hand really gripped tightly around them to apply lots of torque when tightening and loosening. So really like these Würth handles, they're really good, and check those out. And like I said, you've got posi 2, posi 1, and then small, medium, large in the flats there. Okay, one more tape to add in. Okay, full standard drill set, okay? So these are the twist drill set, HSS DIN 338. These go from 1 mil up to 10 mil, and these goes in 0.5 increments. And you can see, very easy to access, keeps them nice and stored. All we do, just spin around to the size you want, and then simply just pop out. So that is a 20 piece in that, which is really good. On top of that, you're also getting the tin set. Okay, so if we open this up, this is zebra quality once again, and this is a 1/4 inch socket set. So what I really like about these is, first of all, you actually get the metal tin, okay? So full metal, which gives you that extra level of protection. It's a spring-loaded latch, so nice and rugged and durable. You've got your 1/4 inch wrench in there, you've got your extension bars, your conversion bars, you've also got screwdriver attachment with 1/4 inch drive head there, as well as several, you've got your socket ranges, as well as 1/4 drive bits extra to go in there as well. What we really like as well, everything within the tin also has its breakdown. So it means if you lose a part or want to reorder another item, all your article numbers, individual codes for every tool in here is in the lid. So really, really useful. Okay, and then what we've also got inside the kit start off, we have a 500 ml can of Ultra 2040. This is Würth's light lubricant, okay, so water displacer, lubricant and penetrant all in one can. So really versatile. If you need to use to loosen up seized bolts, to lubricate door hinges, to penetrate in those tight to reach areas, Ultra 2040 is a really good product to go for, and that's also included in this 30 piece kit. If you need to step up to something a little bit heavy duty, more heavy duty for a lubricant, also included is Würth's HHS 2000 product. This is an excellent, high pressure, highly adhesive, synthetic lubricating oil. And what's really great about this product is it actually leaves the can as an oil, but over time and movement, the solvent inside evaporates and then it actually thickens up. So great to reach all those really tight to reach areas where there's going to be a high pressure buildup and you need to keep that lubrication. So that's also included. And then finally, you also get a cleaner, which is Würth's Industry Clean product. What's really good here, this is NSF safe, so you can use this around food areas, okay? And it's also, it doesn't evaporate as quick as what some other cleaners do. So if you need the product to soak in, okay, this is what to use and it's gonna last, okay? What's really good, an area where this is fantastic, is to use on leftover adhesive residues. Because it doesn't evaporate, it gives it time to soak in, breaks down that adhesive, and really easy to wipe off. So an excellent cleaner by Würth there. So that brings us to everything inside the kit. So if we take a quick look at the bag now, okay, so it's quite a large bag, which is really good. So lots of storage space inside. You do have rollers on the bottom, which is really useful. And as well as that, you also have a extendable handle that comes out of the top. So you can see inside there what that does. That will actually lift out. There we go. Okay, so you can almost use it like the suitcase. And then if we look on the inside, you've got two compartments. This is your main compartment. So the bag actually pops forwards, and you also have the little straps on the side, which you can unclick. Okay, so that allows the bag to open fully, but you've got lots of pocket room inside. You've also got holes here to store things like screwdrivers, sets of pliers, okay? You've also got metal clasp, which I like to put the tape measure on. And then also on the other side, you can see more storage. If we then take a look in the front pocket, again, additional storage here, which I like to put the cans in. which just go over the top like so. And as well as that, you've also got storage on the sides. So there we have it. Excellent kit, really good for maintenance. If anyone's looking to start up and needs a tool set, this is really good to go on the road with, portable, everything in there you're going to need to perform maintenance duties. So that's Würth's 30-piece essential maintenance kit.